Hello friends, in this video we will be seeing how we can fix this particular syntax error, the Unicode error in Python, wherein the code is not able to decode the bytes in some positions in your input text. So we have given an input of a Python not a Python but a text file in the Python open function as an input file name. So here in this particular code is throwing an error that the code is not able to decode the bytes. So why it is happening? Because this particular path is not read as a raw text. So in order to let know the compiler that this is a raw string, we will be adding an R alphabet in front of this particular path, which represents that this is a raw text, and hence when we'll be running the code now, this particular issue will be fixed.